everyone, how are you all? In this video, allow my group to describe the 4 subjects that we have studied, and the subjects that we will discuss are Informatics, PPLG Basics, Japanese, and German. Enjoy watching!
In informatics subject, we have learned about how to use Microsoft Word and Excel application. What we learned from Microsoft Word application is to create wrappers and document in the form of letter, brochures, table, and many more. With Excel, test how to process number and analyze them. In addition, informatics has private practice and Axmit reading Microsoft Word and Excel application, namely typing or creating documents. Using Microsoft Word application and Axmit practice that are given reading Excel application, breaking a number, and writing formulas to process number.
In this subject, we learn about the PPLG major of software and game development, as well as we learn about finding software, introduction to Windows, history of Windows, development of Windows, Windows XP, and Vista Revolutions, introduction to Linux, Android development, history of Linux, how to install Windows, personal branding, and creating applications. In making this application, there are tools who work as flowchart, use case diagram, activity diagram, class diagram, and sequence diagram. Moreover, we have also practiced making video presentations on the history of Windows, the history of Linux, and the history of Android. Then we practiced personal branding such as self-promotions. And the project that we are currently doing is practicing making applications by designing applications and running applications development with several diagrams and bid proposals.
Japanese subject. In Japanese, we are first told to write class preparation in Japanese. Secondly, we are told to write aisatsu or greeting words in Japanese. Thirdly, we also learn ojigi or what is called the way of speak in Japanese culture. For example, such as esaku keirei, sei keirei, and then we were told to write hiragana and katakana vocabulary, and we were also told to write or copy the Japanese language checking attributes, and told to memorize numbers from 1 to 10 in Japanese. Next, we do our STS midterm summative in Japanese, namely a test about being told to introduce using Japanese and being videoed to be put on YouTube. After the test, we immediately enter new material, namely about nouns and verbs. For example, such as explaining the subject of particles and topics of conversation. Namely, there are particles wa, des, ja arimasen, and others. Then, the next writing Mina no Nihongo, lesson 1. We are also told to make question and answer in Japanese related to the material, nouns, and verb. A week later, we will have SAS end of semester summative, and we are told to make a video interview in Japanese consisting of 4 groups.
In German, we have learned about umlauts, which are letters in German with certain types of pronunciation, such as a, o, and u. Then we learned diphthongs, which are two adjacent vowel sounds in the same syllable. Alphabet in German, Begrüßung, which is a greeting word. Verabschieden, which is a goodbye greeting word. Nummer in German, Fragen und Aussagen, which are questions and statements in German. Hobby in German, Wochentag is the name of days in German. Bestimmer article, which is a noun. And finally, we learn about unbestimmer article, which is an unknown noun. In addition, in the German subjects, we have done several practices, such as practicing the correct pronunciation of alphabets and numbers in German, practicing talking about our own biodata in German, and the last one, we practiced about interview conversations in German. That's the explanation about the 4 subjects from our group. Thank you for watching.